Good day everyone. So this is Mathematics in the Modern World, Lesson 8. So for this lesson, we will tackle about annuities and practical application of interest theory. So for annuities, so you need to answer this to a question. Okay. And now, what is an annuity? So annuity is a series of equal payment made at regular time interval. It's also known as sinking fund. So an ordinary annuity is one whose payment are made at the end of each interest period. The present value P and the future value F of an ordinary annuity A is are given by, so the formula will be P equals to AI1 minus 1 plus I raised to the power of negative n. So for F, for the future value is A over I 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1. So where A is the payment made at the end of each successive period. So I is the interest rate per period and n is the total number of period. So let's have an example. So a house, dito, a house and lot amounting to 3.5 m is to be amortized by monthly payment over 5 years at the annual interest rate of 10%. What is the monthly payment? Okay? So, hanapin natin yung payment. So, we will have P. So, ang P natin is ito. Okay? So, I is this one. Then, we will have N is monthly kasi eh. So, 5 times 12. Okay? 5 times 12. So, we will have our formula. Our formula is P. Okay? P. So, karoon tayo ng P equals A over I. Okay? So, that is 1 minus 1 plus I raised to N. Okay? Ganon. Okay? So, we will have yung 3.5 natin dito. Okay? Tapos A. Okay? Over I natin is 10. Okay? So 0.1 over 12. Then we have 1 minus 1 plus 0.1 over 12, then raised to the power of, ano yung n natin? 5 times 12, so 60. Okay. Parenthesis. Okay. So if you will simplify that one, that will be calculator. Okay. That will be a 47.0654. Okay, so A will be 3.5 m over 47.0054, or that is 74.364.61. So that's the monthly payment. Next, so an equipment costs 200,000 pesos today and has a resale value of 50,000 over 10 years. The inflation rate is 5%. Okay? The annual interest rate earned on investment is 6%. So how much money need to be set aside each year in order to replace the said equipment with an identical model 10 years from now. So we will solve first the inflation. Okay, so inflation is F, okay, future value, okay, of the principal 1 plus I n. Okay, so we will have so this is per year na. Okay, so we will have 200, so 1 plus 0.05, okay, that is 10 years. Okay, kasi per year eh. So ang period natin is per year, so that will have 325,779. Okay, now, so this is our future value. Now we will have minus future value, minus natin yan siya ng 50,000. Okay, so amount to be raised, okay, amount to be raised is 325,779 minus 50,000. Okay, so we need to raise 275,779. Okay, now we can solve the future value. We can solve for the annuity, same with the previous problem. So this is our basis. Okay, so our future value is 275, okay, 779, then equals to A over ano ba yung interest natin? Invested, earn. Okay, earn natin is annually is 6, so diretso na siya. So 0.6. Then we will have 1 plus 0.06, okay, 10 minus 1. So that's our formula. So we will have an annuity of so that is equals to A over 13,1,808. Okay, so A is equals to 275,779 over 13,1,808, or that is equals to 20,923. So that will be the amount need to be raised for the equipment. Okay, so next we will have practical application of interest theory. So for this topic, so you will need to answer these two problems. Now let's have an example. Compute the dividend. Okay, let's compute the dividend. So that one, compute the dividends a shareholder should receive if he has 80 share and a stock is equivalent to 75 pesos per year or per share. So 80, simple, 80 shares, we have 75 pesos per share. Okay, cancel out that one, so you will have 6,000. Okay, we'll have 6,000 yung dividend mo. Okay, next will be what is the dividend yield for a stock that pays an annual dividend of 100 pesos per share and trades at 3,000. So magkaroon tayo ng this will be the dividend, so that will be what is the dividend yield for a stock that pays an annual amount. So yung earn mo over 3,000, okay, so you will have 0.05, or you will have 5% dividend yield. Okay, now next will be a treasury bond with a 200,000 principal, value, has 4% coupon and 100-day maturity period. Compute for the bond discount. So tingnan natin yung discount. Okay, so for that one, solution for that one, we will use the formula, this one. Okay, 1 plus RD over 360. So that's our formula. So our principal will be 200,000. So this is our unknown. Okay, 1 plus interest rate is 0.04. How many days? 100 over 360. Okay, so our PP, okay, will be 197,802. So we will minus the 200 with 197, so that is equals to 2,198. So this is our bond discount. Okay, so that's all for our lesson. So I'll be posting the quiz for this activity at the Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.